The radar stayed mostly quiet across East Tennessee today. Once again, we had highs in the low 90s, and we'll do something similar again for our Sunday. By Monday, we'll start to see our cloud cover increasing thanks to Hurricane Ida. It is currently working its way through the Gulf of Mexico, strengthening as it does so, forecast to make landfall along the coast of Louisiana as a major, possibly Category 4 hurricane late Sunday afternoon or early in the evening. From there, the system will weaken rapidly as it moves inland and then recurve back off to the northeast, possibly moving over East Tennessee and having some impacts on our forecast. As of right now, it looks like the timing on those impacts will likely be on Tuesday into Tuesday night and then possibly into the day Wednesday. What are we talking about? Well, the potential for some locally heavy rain, mainly for areas along and west of I-75, so especially our plateau and possibly southern valley counties. That would be from the outer bands of the system as it comes on through. And with any outer bands from a tropical system, you never can rule out the potential for a few tornadoes as well. So it's something we're going to be watching closely. We'll also see the potential for some gusty winds on Tuesday and Wednesday from the tightening pressure gradient. So you're not going to want to plan any hikes in the Smokies for the day Tuesday or Wednesday because the mountains will have the higher wind gusts than we will see down here in the valley. Again, we're continuing to work out the details as we watch what happens with Ida. Any slight shift with this track will significantly change our forecast. So you'll want to check back for updates as we go along, as we watch the evolution of the system once it makes landfall and starts to move inland. So here's how that plays out with your futurecast. Today, the radar was mostly quiet. Tomorrow is going to be a similar story for your Sunday afternoon. A lot of sunshine, some high thin clouds moving through, and just a couple spotty showers or rumbles of thunder here and there. Into Monday, the far outer bands, the outer clouds from Ida start to move into our skies. So we see increasing clouds through the day Monday, maybe a few spotty showers, especially in our western counties, and then overnight Monday night into the morning on Tuesday, some of that rain will start to move in with the main center of circulation passing closest to us later in the day on Tuesday, possibly overnight Tuesday night and into our Wednesday. So here's how that reflects with your 7-day forecast. Hot and humid on Sunday, and on Monday, increasing clouds, but still getting those highs up into the low 90s. Tuesday, the winds will be breezy, likewise on Wednesday. Tuesday will be when we have the potential for, again, those stronger outer bands to be coming through and the strongest winds in the mountains. The rain chances will linger into the day Wednesday, decreasing overnight Wednesday night, hopefully getting out of here by early Thursday morning, which means we should have a nice and cooler forecast for that Vols game. Kickoff is at 8 p.m. on Thursday night. Notice these high temperatures. On the backside of Ida, we'll have some slightly cooler and drier air come into the region, and it'll give us a little bit of a refreshing feel to the air rather than those muggy conditions that we've had as of late, and then we'll warm up again into next weekend. Again, please check back for updates to this forecast.